In this video I will teach you to insert the doors in this project. After activating the command, I'm going to choose the type here. And you will notice that there are just few of them to choose from. But don't worry, because if you don't like the shape or these door sizes, there are many doors to download from the libraries. But anyway, at this moment, it's fine with what we've got here, so I'm going to pick this door. One nice thing is that we can normally understand the height and the width by looking at the type name. Of course, if you want to be completely sure, it's better to confirm it on the type properties here. Click on OK and let's start. I'm going to insert the first door in this room, and before clicking, I can see the distance the door will be from the walls. Now, for this exercise, I wanted to make this step a bit of freestyle for you. I didn't put the dimensions for the internal doors, so you are free to play around with them and you can decide where exactly they will be. You can choose a different type if you want, or even load it from the libraries. That's a tip I'm going to explain to you after this part. Here I decide to place all the doors at 10 cm from the closest wall. For this door, I didn't click exactly at the right place and the door went a bit to the left. To fix this, select the door and you can edit the distance to the one that you need. I will choose, for example, 100. Another way to place the same element in the project again is clicking in this door, then hit the right button and go to Create Similar because I want exactly the same type of door. Do you see? It's appearing when I hover the wall. Another thing you've probably noticed is that you cannot place a door alone. And honestly, I think it would be a bit weird at least. So, doors and windows are hosted by walls, meaning that they only show when you place the mouse over a wall. So now you can keep placing the doors for all the rooms, you can follow the image I shown before, or just place them in your way. But there is another tip I want to show to you, which is to flip the door. It's very easy. You can hit space to flip to the left or to the right, or you can also click on these arrows. With this one, I'm flipping the door to the other side. Nice. So then you can place the doors for the first floor. I'm not going to do it here, and that's something for you as a homework. Now we can go through the next step, which is inserting the exterior door. Now let's learn how to load an Autodesk family. We will go to the Insert tab and click here, Load Autodesk Family. In this window, we can browse through several families organized by category. Now what we need is doors, and as you can see, there are loads of them to choose from. And to be more specific, we can select also a subcategory here. I'm going for this exterior door, and if I want, I can also load more than one door at the same time. But for now this one is alright. Now I go back to the Architecture tab again, activate the command door, click on the icon and select the door type. I go for this length 910 mm and insert it here at this wall. Now, a couple of tips. If I place the pointer slightly below the wall, the door opening is upwards. Now, let's move a bit above the opening, switch it to the other side. The second tip is, while moving the door around the middle of the wall, there is one moment that Revit suggests me to place the door in the middle between the two walls, with both dimension lines being equal. Now, I want to give you a suggestion to draw the doors in the first floor. Open the view and follow the same process. Then, as some of the doors are exactly in the same position, just go to the shadow and make sure the distance to the wall is the same as the floor below, in my case 100 mm. Then keep inserting the doors for the other rooms. And finally, as there are some different walls, I need new doors, and don't forget to flip when you think is necessary. So it's everything about doors, and that means it's now time to talk about windows.